Okay, this time we get an indeterminate form of this form 0 over 0. Now let's call y as x to the power x. If we take the ln of both sides, we get x times ln of x. Okay. Now instead of looking at limit of y, we look at the limit of ln of y. So this is limit x to the as x goes to 0 from right of x ln of x. Okay, so for this one, what can we do? This is 0 times infinity type of indeterminate form. To deal with this, let's write this in parentheses. To deal with this, we can write one of the expressions in the denominator as, let's say, x as 1 over x. Okay, now this time the numerator is going to minus infinity and the denominator is also going to plus infinity. So this is an indeterminate form of infinity over infinity. Now we can use L'Hopital's rule. We take the derivative of ln is 1 over x, and the derivative of 1 over is minus 1 over x squared. And if we do cancellation here, we get minus x, which is 0, right? So this limit, the limit of ln of y is 0, which means that since if the limit of the ln is 0, then what is the, let's write it this way, ln of limit x as x goes to 0 from right of y, this is 0. Okay, from this one we can take the limit inside, and and what, since this is 0, what this number should be 1, right? So ln of 1 is 0, so the limit of x to the power x as x goes to 0 from right is 1.